What's up, my friend DK here? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. So, myEcon, right? It's about time they did this. We've been actually waiting for this for a long time. But you know what? To be honest with you, this is one of the things that I really appreciate about myEcon is the corporate team really works with the leaders, especially us leaders that are here in the field, out there promoting every single day. They work with us, they listen to us, and one of our biggest things that we just helped really work with the corporate team on is going global, literally launching all across the globe. But I want to try to keep this video short and sweet for you. So depending on when you watch this, might be a Sunday morning. You're probably just chilling. I want to give you a quick update, something that they did that, we've been asking about this. I don't even know for probably a couple of months now, but with everything else going on with the global launch and all that other stuff, they have finally removed or are about to, at the time you watch this video, they're removing the coupon code that is on the sign up form. So let me show you what that looks like. So if you're, let's say you click the link down below, you want to get started, you want to activate your position, you want to get the over $11,000 in free bonuses that we offer just for being a myEcon team member. I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can go and watch my full tutorial, see if making lots of money online is a fit for you, and jumping on the best team inside of myEcon where you get all that cool stuff. You'll learn more about that when you click the link below or hit the end card at the end of this video. Anyway, when you go to the form, right, when you go over to their checkout form, so any of our funnels or link down below, you'll head on over to their sign up form right here. Okay, and when you scroll down, there's this little spot right here that says coupon code optional. Now, for me, I probably get hit up, I don't even know, a dozen times a week when people are signing up and they're like, hey, is there a coupon code? And the reason why they initially did this is so you could give away memberships. You can go basically buy a membership level. So if you wanted to buy, a $99 membership level, you could have, and then you would generate a coupon code for that. And then you would give them that code and they could basically sign up for free. So the coupon code here was originally done so you could give away free memberships, but that's not really a thing that we do. And I would not recommend that you do that. Anyway, the time is limited on this because this is going to be going away, and we're very much excited to have this go away. As a matter of fact, I just got a text message literally last night from Ivy, one of the co-founders of myEcon, and he said, yes, this is going away on April 1st. So we're very, very excited to see that go away. And it's just going to help clean up the shopping cart and just make the transactions much more smoother, because you need to realize, for myself being in the online digital marketing space for the last 7 years, anything that's going to, make somebody stumble or hesitate or ask a question on, it's just going to slow the process down. It's going to, possibly restrict sales and make people, anytime people have to guess or get curious, that curiosity, it slows down progression. And that's what we're trying to avoid here. And I think, to see this go away is going to be a really good thing. So I just want to give you guys an update. Those of you guys that are inside of myEcon, or those of you guys that are maybe looking at myEcon, know that we're obviously always improving things and making things even better. A lot more updates for you to come later on this month. I can promise you that. Again, always continuing to work with the corporate team and get things as streamlined as possible. But now that we're global, here's a hint. I'm going to give you guys a big hint. Okay. We're going to be adding countries to the global list. So there are a few select countries that are going to be added. So coming soon to a theater or YouTube channel near you. Hopefully we'll be announcing that very, very soon, depending on when you watch this video. We're going to be adding new countries. And one more hint, we're working on something here in the United States that is also going to be a very, very big deal. And I'm not going to tell you exactly what that is, but we've been, again, working on this for a little while. Again, just trying to streamline everything, get you guys the most amount of tools, resources, best things possible to get out there, build go crush it with myEcon. And that is it. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon again so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. If you're looking to get started with myEcon, link in the description down below. Or if you need more information, want to learn how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for joining myEcon, you can click the end card right here at the end of the screen and go watch that full tutorial. Any questions? I left my number right at the top of this video. Appreciate you, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.